Who is your client? This is important to know. Who are they? What are their struggles? What are their fears? And what provides them joy? We struggle with these hard questions when it comes to clients. We don't dig deep enough into their personal life. What does it mean to be them? What is it like? How do you design for someone you don't understand? Someone you haven't connected with? Are they a mystery to you? Have you ever wondered if they're gonna like your design? If so, you don't understand them and the challenges they're trying to overcome. To be successful and for the client to have a successful project, you need to understand them. How do you get to the point of knowing your client? What do you do to get them to open up to you? You have to listen empathetically. You have to actually pay attention to what they're telling you. And it sounds simple, right? We all think we're listening, but are you really? Your client wants you to be successful when it comes to designing their space. They want to have a space that solves their problem. And you need to comprehend the problem. This means you need to dig deep into their personal life. It might feel a little weird at first, I know. As an architect, you need to listen more. When listening, actually listen. Let the words soak in. Don't just wait to talk. Don't wait to plan your next question. Actually listen to the answers they're providing. And don't be judgmental or confirming of what they're saying. Meaning, you don't give your opinions unless asked about your opinion. When a client expresses frustrations, we have a tendency to confirm the frustration, to break any possible awkwardness by saying, oh, same with me, or oh, I went through the same thing. We want to relate it to one of our experiences. You don't need to justify or accept what your client is telling you. It'll start to shut them down, actually. In your mind, you're agreeing or disagreeing with what people tell you all the time. You process that against your own experiences, and I'm trying to say let go of all that and focus on the feelings they're expressing to you. Reflect those feelings back to them. This is listening with empathy. It's different than our normal response to things. You have to practice responding and focus on listening and reflecting back the feeling they're projecting to you. They feel overwhelmed. You let them know, you hear that they feel overwhelmed. This understanding allows them to open up more with even deeper feelings. You're trying to get real answers here. Real answers to hard questions. Questions that are going to determine the design of their space. A design that solves a deeper problem of theirs. A design that creates a better life. A design that promotes habits and marks real change for the better in your clients' lives. Listening empathetically will allow you to do this. And it's not easy. It's actually extremely difficult. And I need serious practice on being able to do this because we all have things we're struggling with. We all connect with other human conditions and we want to provide a solution in that moment. The pain others might be going through, we want to alleviate it and let them know that they're not alone. But now isn't the time. The solution hasn't come yet. It's going to come through your design. Once you've listened, they'll seek your advice. Now you need to resolve the issue, and this is what you're going to focus on in your actual design.